welcome back to Rylee's channel. I'm playing with Morby, so you can see. I can't seem to find my mommy hide stuff in here. And some mermaids and a treasure box. I'm trying to find it. It has something in there. I have been looking for it. And this is my trusty friend, octopus. Just that looking. And this is Jesus. I think I found something. I found my mermaid friend. It's raising high. This is something else right here. And it's my other mermaid. I have one more mermaid left. Then I found my other one. My mermaids are going over here. I have to find seahorses. I found one. Do you see this? This is what I'm looking for. It's opening. It's hard to open it sometimes. Ooh! Gems. I found gems. Some more of these. This is what I find. These are real emeralds. Well, I don't really know if they're real emeralds. Oh, I think I missed one. And this is what blue rare emerald. And this is a fake plant. Bye, guys.